Anushka.
Hello, sir.
First of all, congratulations
Thank you so much.
receiving your visa.
Thank you.
And before we begin this journey,
Yes, sir.
I'd like to ask you about your introduction, your academic background maybe.
Okay.
What have you done in your studies so far?
Okay. My name is Anushka Bhogna. I am a student of Bachelor's of Dental Surgery. Last year I graduated from Uttaranchal Dental College after completing my graduation in dental surgery. It had been a great experience for me because since childhood I always wanted to become a doctor. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Since childhood you wanted to be...
Yes, yes. It was so like a keen interest for me to go in medical because since childhood I only used to play with doctor set, not even with the kitchen set.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great, wonderful. And this dream continued when you passed out to it.
Yes.
Then how did you come across the idea of exploring options abroad?
Sir, as I was through my journey in the last years of college, I found that only being a graduate would not do much to me. So I decided to do my masters. So I when I took admission in the college for the graduation, I was sure that if I will be doing the masters, so I'll be doing it from abroad. So it was my keen interest over there that I'll be going abroad for my masters.
Then tell me about how everything fell into place, right from
So-
application and everything.
From starting, I was searching for a good more guidance for me so that I can move abroad for my masters. But in between, I got misguided. I was not interested because most of the courses were non-clinical at that time. Then I came across your institute through Instagram. Then I contacted sir. Then we had a talk regarding it. So he sent me some options regarding the courses which were related to my profession. There was one course like Masters in Dental Sciences for Clinical Practice.
Right.
So I found that it is the best course which I can opt for right now, because it would, if I'll be staying in UK after completing my course, it would fetch me their good jobs, as well as when I return to India. So here also the course holds a good position.
Right.
So then I decided to do Masters in Dental Sciences. After that, first I started with my IELTS coaching, and for a month I took the coaching and gave the IELTS exam.
Yeah.
Then after that I received the unconditional offer letter from the university. We proceeded further regarding all the documents which were required by the university. Sir helped me a lot in that, and after that sir asked for the CAS letter from the university, so they sent it soon only. It was not a longer time. After that we applied for the visa and all. It was because of sir's help only.
What are you really excited about?
I'm really excited about exploring new places, and I'm really excited about a new culture. So I'm it would a bit be a cultural shock for me because I'm moving from the India for the very first time. Even from Dehradun I'm moving from very first time. So I'm excited about exploring new things over there, and plus I'm also excited about my course that I'll get more to learn about my clinical practices.
How was the overall visa process in your opinion?
The visa process was very smooth for me because sir had already helped me with each and every document. So there was no place where I could face any problem regarding the visa.
Right. What do you think of university response to you?
The university response was good for me, as sometimes I used to ask them a single question also, so they used to reply me within an hour or mostly within one day. So it was a good response from their side.
You had your appointment, we had this appointment on what date?
I had on 11th of August.
26.
Yeah, 26 I received.
Amir applied for non-standard visa, not the priority visa, and she didn't get even interview. Everything was quite sorted. So within flat 15 days.
Yes.
Great. Anything you would like to suggest to students and also want to excel in the field of healthcare?
Okay, the thing which I want to suggest is you should always be focused towards your goals, because you should not think that IELTS is a normal exam. From starting you should stay focused, because if I wouldn't have been focused, so I wouldn't have received such good marks, and you should not get misguided from the process which you are going through. Like someone if says you in between ki please don't do this course or please it is not good for you, you should first believe in yourself, then you should think for others or think of what others are speaking to you.
One thing about this course, because she was enrolled for Center Science for Clinical Practice. So there is DVS check, which is generally required for some courses in the UK. So DVS is not applicable here in India. So in place of DVS, we have PCC. So you should also be aware that there are some courses in the UK. Generally, PCC is not required for most of the courses, but some courses fall in the category where PCC has to be given. So we have also got the PCC right in time. Any other thing that you wish that you had known before?
I wish that I had known. I wasted my 1 month on IELTS completely. Like as you were saying from the starting that prepare for your IELTS, give your IELTS exam. So like firstly I received a conditional. I thought that maybe the university would accept me like according to the marks which I scored in 12, because some universities do, but this university didn't allow. They said they need a IELTS proof. So I wasted my 1 month for this.
And wondering over whether
Yes, go for IELTS or not.
yeah, but I very clearly
Yes,
science is very
requires.
some universities do offer conditional offer letter without even English test if you have studied from CBSE or ICSE board and have scored plus 70 marks. Some universities like Coventry can accept 68 as well, or some universities also have their international English test. But yes, courses like this, medical courses, they generally require the candidates to have IELTS proficiency test. That is the only gateway to go.
Yes.
What will you be missing about India, about your hometown?
I'll be missing my hometown like completely, because since my childhood I have never moved out of this place. So I'll be missing the weather, I'll be missing the people, because here people are very genuine and down to earth. They probably help you in any way or other if you require it. And of course I'll be missing my parents and siblings also.
Homesickness happens
Yeah.
when everybody is moving, not just to a different country but even moving from one city to another.
Another.
That is very genuine one may experience. Manushka, I have perceived you as a very, very eager-eyed, very much enthusiastic about things, and I feel that you are really cut out for this promotion. The kind of spoken you are, and you know what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
And, I think that clarity is generally very much required.
Yes.
It has been really. So I feel that you'll be doing amazing things in your life, and I wish you all the success
Thank you, sir.
in the course. During the course,
Yes.
if there's anything that I can help you with,
Yes, sir.
or even after,
Of course.
feel free.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll be there, just a call away.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So congratulations
Thank you, sir.
to your family and whosoever was involved in that
Yes.
process.